Hello again, this is Elaine from Quills and Quacks. In this video, I will show you a single crochet increase, read a basic pattern, and count rows. Let's take a look at a sample pattern that I have written here. I've written this sample pattern with commonly used abbreviations. Row 1 says to start with a magic ring 6. This means that your starting ring should have 6 single crochet. We have done this in my previous video. Row 2 says to do 6 increases, and when we finish, we should have 12 completed stitches. This is where we'll be starting from. Let's grab our ring and our hook, insert our hook through the loop that has the stitch marker in it. To do an increase basically means to do 2 single crochet in each stitch. We're going to now insert our hook through the first stitch of the round. Make sure to go through both loops. Grab some yarn and pull that through. Should have 2 loops on your hook. Now grab some more yarn and pull that through. That's 1 single crochet. We're going to do this again in the same stitch. So in that same hole, insert your hook, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some more yarn, and pull through. Now we're going to repeat this until we get to the stitch marker. So 2 single crochets in each stitch of the round. Now, once you get to the end, take the hook out, unhook the stitch marker, and move it and place it in the last loop. So according to the pattern here, it says that we should have 12 stitches. So let's count. So find your V's and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now that we have finished our row 2, we are going to try row 3. So row 3 says single crochet increase, and it's within the brackets, and it says times 6, which means we're going to repeat the pattern of a single crochet and increase 6 times to finish off with 18 stitches. So let's grab our hook, insert it into the loop with the stitch marker again, and we're going to do the pattern of a single crochet in the first stitch. Now we're going to increase in the second stitch. So that's 2 single crochets in the same stitch. It's 1 and 2. Now we're going to repeat that pattern again. We're going to single crochet in the third stitch, and we're going to increase in the fourth stitch. Now keep repeating this pattern until we get to the end. So a single crochet, an increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, and increase. Once you get to the end, move your stitch marker again. And let's count our stitches, and we should have 18. Look for your V's again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, let's take a look at row 4. Row 4 states 2 single crochet and increase. It's also in brackets, so it means it's a pattern repeated 6 times to finish off with 24 stitches in row 4. So that means that we're going to do a single crochet in the first stitch, a single crochet in the second stitch, and in the third stitch you're going to make an increase. So I will demonstrate. You're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch. Second stitch, you're going to make another single crochet, and in the third stitch you're going to make 2 single crochets for an increase, and then you repeat the pattern. So single, single, and a double. Okay, I'm going to quickly finish this off and meet you back for row 5. So let's take a look at the pattern here. We have row 5 to row 10 for 24 single crochet, which basically means that all we're going to do now is just make 24 single crochets in row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8, row 9, and row 10. You have a total of 24 single crochet from row 4, and all you're going to do is just go around and make single crochets all around till you get to the stitch marker, and then just continue moving your stitch marker to mark your next row so that you don't lose your place. So I will again meet you at the end of row 5. Alright, here I am at the finish of row 5. I've already moved my stitch marker to start row 6. As you see, you're going to start seeing this kind of a cup shape. As you add more rows, the shape becomes more of a spear. So I'm going to do a couple more rows, and I'll meet back with you in a little bit. Right, so I went ahead and crocheted and finished up to row 10, and you should kind of start having this kind of shape here. So stay tuned. In my next video, I will continue with this sample pattern to show you how to add plastic safety eyes, the decreasing stitch, stuffing, and closing off your amigurumi. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.